In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put stickers in InVideo. If you want to add a bit of personality, emphasis, or fun to your video, stickers are a great way to do it, and the process is quick once you know where to look. First, log into InVideo using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, open your project. If you already have it open in the editor, you're good to go. You'll see your canvas in the center, your timeline at the bottom, and a toolbar or panel on the left side of the screen. Next, head to the Elements section on the left. This is where InVideo keeps visual add-ons like shapes, overlays, and of course, stickers. Click Elements to open it, and then navigate to the Stickers section within that panel. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a tab, a category, or a filter. If the list looks long, use the search bar to quickly find a sticker style by typing keywords like arrow, sparkle, emoji, or sale. Now browse through the available stickers and pick the ones that fit your video's tone. Many stickers are animated so they can add motion and energy to your scene. When you find one you like, click and drag it from the panel onto your canvas. Drop it where you want it to appear on the frame. You can drag multiple stickers if you're building a layered look or emphasizing different parts of the scene. Once the sticker is on your canvas, you can fine-tune it. Use the corner handles to resize it without distorting the proportions, and rotate it to angle it just right. If there are style or color options available for that sticker, you'll find them in the right side Properties panel. On the timeline, you can click and drag the edges of the sticker layer to control when it appears and how long it stays on screen. This is especially helpful for highlighting a moment, matching a beat, or timing a call-out with a voiceover. If your sticker overlaps other elements, adjust its layering by sending it forward or backward so it doesn't hide important visuals. Keep an eye on the overall balance. Too many stickers can clutter your frame, but a well-placed one draws attention exactly where you want it. And that's it. Log in, open your project, go to Elements, head to Stickers, then drag your favorites onto the canvas and position them to perfection. With a few thoughtful choices, your video will instantly feel more engaging and polished.